how I season my seasons be pleasing at Penny Buzz. This right here today is some turkey, black bean chili, and these are the ingredients. We have fresh turkey, my special blend of seasonings, garlic, bell peppers, red, green, and a white onion. Now, we're going to start this thing off with some black beans, some diced tomatoes, and some rotel tomatoes that's in the jalapeno, you know what I'm saying, little sauce. Now, I start this thing off with seasoning with my special blend. I got a little garlic pepper, onion pepper, a little chili powder, a couple other little things in there, some other spices that I like, a couple dried things. Now this is all fresh ingredients here, you know what I'm saying? Good ground turkey. Now I add just a little olive oil at the bottom, you know what I'm saying, just so it don't stick. And I switch that around a little bit. I don't add the bell peppers and onions yet, but I'm about to. Here they go. Drop them bad boys in. All fresh ingredients, as you can see. All fresh ingredients. You know what I'm saying? We try our best to keep everything fresh. You know what I'm saying? Because some people use this frozen stuff or stuff out the can, but not I. Now I said not I, but look at me. Got some damn cans right here. But the beans, ain't nobody got time to be waiting all day to be making some fresh damn beans and fresh tomatoes and shit. That is too fucking much. But this type of stuff, yeah, I will have this in the can, but I try my best to have all fresh stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, you remember back in the day, we used to eat like beans and weenies. Man, I know everybody remember them days. Back in the day when you was young, man, you ain't really had too much, you know what I'm saying? Beans and weenies was the chili of today. Shoot, I put some beans and wings together, boy. Put a little syrup in that shit, boy. Telling you. But back to the chili. Now I got that chili sauce, chili powder. I mean, you know what I'm saying. Like I said, cans are good, but you gotta put a little fresh in there too. Now I mix that all up. You know what I'm saying. That's all the chili powder and everything. It's done cooked for a little while. Just let it, turn the heat down at this moment, you know what I'm saying? And put the lid on that bad baby. Let it sit for a little while. Let it marinate. Mix it well. Lord Jesus. Ooh, that looks so damn good. Look at that beautiful chili. Chili, man. Oh, you remember back in the day, the white beans, lima beans, pinto, black eyes, all that shit, man? Man, my grandma used to cook all that good shit, man. I love it, man. I'm telling you. But some people say my chili be fire. Fire. But I ain't put that much pepper in it this time. I put a couple red pepper flakes. And like I said, that what's the name? I put a little hot sauce in there. You know what I'm saying? From time to time, I put a little hot sauce in there. I ain't gonna lie to you. But it's still good. So there's a couple people that's gonna complain. I ain't got time for that. You can let it cool off. You'll be alright. You ain't gonna cry about it. Be whining, a little wine tea or something. But it's some good shit here. Now, at Penny Buzz, we pride our shit trying to set out good plates of food. Nice, cheap, cheap food. But you know what I'm saying? It's all good in the hood, you know what I'm saying? As you seen, it was a real quick and easy recipe. Simple, straight to the point. You know what I'm saying? And the resources right here, good, beautiful food. Holla at your boy.